Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about body operation. In body operation, we will cover shoe, simplify, slice material and imprint phases. First, we will see about shoe option. Just click on create and go to body operations. Once you click on body operations, the first option in the type, the first option is shoe. Shoe is nothing but if you want to fill any small gaps between the surfaces, or if you want to generate solid from the surfaces, then we will go with this option. So first we will see how to close this small gap between the two surfaces. Okay, so to close this small gap, first you need to select the faces. Just click on control and select the two faces, apply. Now here you can see the tolerance. Just drop down and click on user tolerance. Once you click on user tolerance, you can see this gap. It is somewhat around nearly 0.1. Okay, so we will give tolerance of 0.2 and we will see whether it will close the gap or not. Just click on generate. You can see the gap is closed now. In the same way, if you want to generate solid from the surfaces, you can see these all are surfaces. Like if I hide this face, you can see inside it is hollow. Now if you want to generate solid by using all these surfaces, okay, so we will see how we can do this. Okay, just click on create, click on body operation, okay, and select all these surfaces 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we selected all the surfaces. Just click on apply. Now you can see here create solids. Just drop down and click on S. Now before clicking on generate, you can see we have a lot of surfaces. Okay, so you will see what happens. Just click on generate and now you can see only one solid. So it created solid from all the surfaces. So this is how you will use the shoe option. Okay, suppose if you want to remove these lines in between the surfaces, okay, so for that we have one more option in body operations. Just click on body operation, click on simplify, just click on the surface, just click on the surface, apply, generate. You can see the line got removed. So this is how you will use the simplify option. Okay, next go to create body operations. In type we have next is slice material. Slice material is nothing but if you want to remove this face, okay, or if you want to remove this face, okay, so just click here and click on this surface, apply. Okay, just click on generate. So it will remove that face. So this is how you will use the slice material. Next, create body operation. So the next one is imprint faces. Imprint faces is nothing but, let's say we have one object here, and if you want to imprint those edges onto the surface, okay, then we will go with imprint option. So for that, just we will create one solid here. Okay, just click on this face. For that, just click on this plane, generate. Okay, click on this place, go to sketch. What I will do is just I will create small oval shape. Okay, now I will extrude this. Okay, generate. Okay, so now I will hide these faces just for clear visibility. Okay, now I want these edges, okay, these edges to be imprinted on this surface. Okay, as of now the surface is plain. Okay, so we will see how we can do this. Just go to create body operation. In type you can see imprint faces. Okay, in the imprint faces, just click on this face and this body, click apply, click on generate. Okay, now we will hide this. You can see the surface edge is imprinted on this. Okay, you can see. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.